Today we will discuss experiment number 11 to perform assay of sodium benzoate. Then objective to understand the concept of assay, principle of sodium benzoate assay and uses of the sodium benzoate. Then assay procedure for the sodium benzoate to understand the use of indicator which is used in the sodium benzoate assay and to identify the titrate and titrant in titration. Then understand the concept of factor calculation, then concept of the percentage purity, then observe the correct meniscus of the solution in burette, then observe the color changes at the end point of the titration. Then chemical which is used in the sodium benzoate is sodium benzoate anhydrous glacial acetic acid, then crystal violet which is used as indicator, then perchloric acid and sodium acetate. These all chemicals used for the sodium benzoate assay. Then principle, this is a non-aqueous type of titration. In this 0.1 molar perchloric acid is used as a titrant. When sodium benzoate is titrated with the perchloric acid, then benzoic acid and salt is formed. When sodium benzoate is titrated with the perchloric acid, there is a formation of a benzoic acid and salt formation. Then crystal violet solution which is used as an indicator, and perchloric acid is very strong acid, and when dissolved with the acetic acid later on can be hold as a base and forms an onion ion. Then after combining with the proton donated by perchloric acid, then in this reaction as the onion ion, that is the CH3COOH2 can instantly donates its proton to base. Therefore solution of a perchloric acid in glacial acetic acid behaves as a strong acid. An alkaline earth metal, example calcium and alkali, like a sodium and potassium salt of organic acid, behaves as a base in acetic acid. Then procedure of this experiment, there is a first step is a preparation of 0.1 molar perchloric acid, then second step is a standardization of 0.1 molar perchloric acid, and then assay procedure. First step is a preparation of 0.1 molar perchloric acid. Mix 8.5 ml of perchloric acid with the 500 ml of anhydrous glacial acetic acid and 25 ml of acetic anhydride, and add anhydrous glacial acetic acid to produce 1000 ml and allow the prepared solution to stand for 1 day. Then standardization of 0.1 molar perchloric acid, there is a weight accurately about 0.35 gram of potassium hydrogen phthalate previously powdered and dried at 120 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Then dissolve in 50 ml of anhydrous glacial acetic acid and 0.1 ml of a crystal violet and titrate with the perchloric acid until violet color changes to bluish green. Then perform blank titration and make any necessary corrections. Then each ml of 0.1 molar perchloric acid is equivalent to 0.0242 gram of perchloric acid. Then assay procedure, weight accurately about 0.25 gram of sodium benzoate, then dissolve in 20 ml of glacial acetic acid, then warm at 50 degrees Celsius if necessary cool, and carry out titration with 0.1 molar perchloric acid using 0.05 ml of the crystal violet solution as an indicator. Then perform blank titration and make any necessary corrections. Then each ml of a 0.1 molar perchloric acid is equivalent to 0.01441 gram of a sodium benzoate. This is the observation table for standardization of 0.1 molar perchloric acid. Then in this observation table involve assay calculations or burette reading solution of a 0.1 molar perchloric acid. This is the calculation part. Factor calculation, perchloric acid equivalent to sodium benzoate, and there is a standardization calculation. Normality of the perchloric acid is equal to perchloric acid divided by burette reading into factor, and then there is a calculation of the normality of the perchloric acid, then percentage purity calculations, then percentage purity is equal to factor into ml of the perchloric acid solution consumed into the normality into 100 divided by weight of the sample. Then after completion of the calculation, the percentage purity of the sodium benzoate value is put into this result.